Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the center left door hinge on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a T25 Torx bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to detach the upper hinge cover. Lift up the clasp and detach the dispenser water supply line. Disconnect the wire connector and unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Now, using the T25 Torx bit, unthread the two mounting screws securing the hinge. Have an assistant help to hold the door in place as you lift the hinge up and remove the bushing to detach it from the wires and water tube. Detach the hinge itself from the wires and water tube. Have the assistant help you to lift the door off the center hinge and set the door aside. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help remove the closing cam from the hinge. You can now use the T25 Torx bit to unthread the three mounting screws to release the old hinge. To install the new center door hinge, align it on the cabinet and thread the three screws to secure. Fully seat the closing cam on the hinge post, and consider applying some additional lithium grease to the cam if needed. Reinstall the refrigerator door by positioning it on the cam. Confirm the mullion heater flap is closed, then close the door and hold it in position. Feed the water tube through the upper door hinge, then push the wires through the slot in the hinge. Reinsert the wires and tube in the bushing, then insert the bushing into the upper hinge. Position the hinge on the door and cabinet, and thread the two mounting screws to secure. Reconnect the wire connector. Reattach the water supply line. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in. and the refrigerator should be ready for use.